Scientists say we've almost run out of time in the fight against climate change, and drastic action is now needed to prevent catastrophic warming. But reducing emissions at the rate required now seems impossible, and we'd also need to remove billions of tons of carbon dioxide already in the atmosphere. The technology needed to achieve this is still at such a small scale, and the trees being planted to absorb the carbon are burning down like never before, releasing even more CO2 into the atmosphere. It's like we're in a car that's speeding down a mountain without brakes. That's why Restore Our Climate, a small nonprofit, is planning to take methane out of the air to cool the planet. You might not realize, but methane is almost causing as much warming as carbon dioxide, and it's over 80 times more potent as a greenhouse gas. If we can remove the methane, we can really put the brakes on global warming, giving us time to become a low-carbon society and bring down the CO2. So how would they do this? Restore Our Climate plans to use something called the Iron Salt Aerosol method, which is based on a natural process that destroys methane molecules in the atmosphere. They are confident it can be done on a large scale, but they are conducting safety tests and will use computer models to discover the best places and conditions for this amazing methane removal method. I'm hopeful this technology could give us the chance we need if Restore Our Climate can raise the funds they need to complete the testing and field trials. Please visit their website for more information and to find out ways you can help with this ambitious project. And if you are able to make a donation, you might be buying us the most precious thing we could have right now in the fight against climate change: more time.